Hi, this is the team, the Blackwing Defense. Our project revolves around an indigenous secure drone system for defense. Our goal is to develop a secure and AI-driven drone system to reduce India's reliance on the foreign drones and softwares, which is posing a serious threat to the national security. Myself, Chanikya Gajjarapu, I am the project lead, and I take the part in implementation and the strategization of our proprietary software, the ground control station, which is being used for this project. This is my friend Vikranth.
Hi, I'm Vikranth. I'm the system architect of Blackwing Defense. We're working on indigenous secure drone system. I'm looking at the software engineering aspect, and he's Dhruva.
Myself Dhruva, and I'm the security engineer, and I deal with the security solutions of the project.
Right now, India's military depends a lot on drones and drones warfare. As we all know, most of the drones have been imported from other countries like China and USA. This creates a risk like cyber attacks, hacking, and unauthorized access to the sensitive data. There have been many cases previously where Indian military drones have been hijacked by the hostile countries, such as the recent drone attack is where our UAV named the Switch has been hijacked by the hostile forces. Many foreign-made drones also come with a hidden security loopholes or vulnerabilities which could compromise our military operations. Taking this as our problem statement, we are moving forward with a solution. Our solution is to build a fully indigenous drone system with strong encryption, AI-powered automation, and anti-hijacking features. Now, our system is also being optimized for handheld devices, which is the new innovation, where unlike the previous days, we are using a military-grade laptops. Now we can simply use a handheld device like a Steam Deck or a laptop or an iPad or a tablet. Now we can have the drones without worrying about the foreign interferences. Our systems will help the military with secure surveillance, with defense operations, making India self-reliant in drone technology.
While coming to the technology tools and methods used, our system integrates AI encryption secure communication technologies. We use FHSS, frequency hopping speed spectrum, which prevents jamming, multi-layer encryption, and data security. The drone operates with a real-time AI engine for autonomous navigation and threat detection. A secure operating system powers the ground control station with end-to-end encryption. The advanced image processing enables the object recognition, and secure hardware modules ensure authentication. The blockchain-based identity verification restricts the access to only authorized person and makes sure that no unauthorized person can access the drone elements. This technology enhances security, efficiency, and reliability. We are focusing on security, efficiency, and reliability.
I'll be explaining what are the tools and technologies used in our software. Beginning with the software, we use pure Python and HTML for the sake of the software base and the map and GPS integration. This is a Steam Deck, which is a handheld device where our software is very much optimized to be viewed in. And this is a RTSP, which is a real-time streaming protocol air unit from which the drone uses the camera as. This will be transmitted to our Steam Deck, which is a handheld device, using a video receiver, which is this. And this will be connected to our handheld devices using Ethernet cable. All of these will be powered using batteries, which are LiPo batteries, with our lithium-ion batteries, and ending that with a radio from which can be used to control the drone, and from which all the telemetry, which is the speed, the GPS, the altitude, and everything else will be sent to our GCS, which is a ground control system on the handheld device.
While coming to the abstract and solution, the indigenous secure drone system strengthens India's defense addressing security vulnerabilities in the existing drone technology. We have already seen few cases where India's drone has been hacked by the enemy countries, which has become a big issue. So our AI-powered drone features and encrypted communications and anti-hijacking measures to safeguard the nation's security. While coming to the key features, secure communication, end-to-end encryption, and frequency hopping. Frequency hopping makes sure that there is no kind of jamming. And authentication, timestamping prevents hacking and jamming. AI-powered operations and deep learning enables the real-time object detection and autonomous mission execution. Anti-hacking measures and multi-factor authentication and encrypted key exchanges and block unauthorized access. If compromised, if the security compromises, the drone auto-activates the return to base and returns to the base station. When coming to jamming resistance, we use FHSS, frequency hopping, spectrum secure, rapidly switches frequencies, ensuring stable communication in hostile environments, and cybersecurity defense, a real-time detection system and secure backup mode protect against the cybersecurity threats. Operational flexibility. Drones support surveillance, recoillance, and rapid response missions in manual and autonomous modes. By eliminating foreign components, our system removes security risks while promoting self-reliance, which is part of Atmanirbhar and Make in India initiative. We make sure that most of the drone components are being made in China, and China almost controls 70% of the supply chain. And with AI-driven automation enables risk-free with real-time intelligence, secure encryption and jamming resistance, ensuring that reliability in compact zones. The project strengthens India's defense, aligning the national goal of technological independence.
The top three benefits are enhanced security, operational efficiency, self-reliance, and cost savings. AI-driven encryption prevents hacking and unauthorized access. Coming to the operational efficiency, real-time threat detection reduces manual effort and improves mission success. Eliminates dependency on foreign UAVs, cutting costs and boosting logical innovation. Coming to the primary beneficiaries, they are Indian Armed Forces, government security agencies, defense, R&D institutions. For the Indian Armed Forces, we can provide better surveillance and strategic planning. For government security agencies, we can provide supports. We can support border security and anti-terror missions. And for the R&D institutions, we advance military drone technology. Coming to the time spent on the team roles, our team has dedicated over a week for the development of this project. Chanakya leads strategy, Vikranth handles system design and AI, and I focus on security and encryption. Together, we have built a secure, scalable prototype. Coming to the scalability and future scope, our drone is designed for expansion. Future upgrades include satellite connectivity for long-range missions, swarm coordination for tactical operations, and AI-driven predictive analytics. Beyond defense applications, extend to disaster relief and infrastructure monitoring. With funding and partnerships, we aim for mass production, strengthening India's military and technological leadership in secure drone systems.
Now, let me share the current situation of our protocol. Our prototype is right now in the phase 1, where you can see this is the GCS, which means the ground control station. This ground control station is connected to this video receiver, which is connected via an Ethernet cable. Now, this video receiver receives the video signals from this RTSP, which is real-time streaming protocol, and this is being sent by these transmitters, which is connected to the chip. This is called the air control. These are the tools and the softwares being used by us. While you can see here, we also have the telemetry, which is being sent from this radio, which is also connected to the drone outside. Since the drone is connected there, this can also have the signals of the GPS. This is how the prototype works, and this is the prototype in the phase 1 right now. So we want to close this by saying, by developing an indigenous secure drone system, we are addressing a critical nation security issue. Our project ensures that the technology and the infrastructure used here is very advanced. We invite collaborations and funding to scale the solution for the real-time development. Let's build a secure future of India together. Thank you so much.